Greetings and welcome to HouseLux Estate, your one-stop channel for all things business and logistics. Today we're going to explore a topic that touches our lives on a daily basis, yet often goes unnoticed: the logistics of running a supermarket. When we think of supermarkets, we often envision aisles filled with everything from fresh produce to canned goods. But have you ever stopped to ponder the intricate system that ensures these items are readily available when you need them? This, my friends, is the magic of logistics. In the context of supermarkets, logistics refers to the complex process of managing and coordinating resources, from sourcing products, managing inventory, to ensuring the smooth distribution of goods to the shelves. It's a crucial cog in the supermarket machine, ensuring efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and ultimately, customer satisfaction. So if you've ever wondered about the journey your groceries take before they land in your shopping cart, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we delve into the nitty-gritty of supermarket logistics. To understand supermarket logistics, one must first comprehend the basic elements that constitute it. So, let's dive right into it. The first pillar of supermarket logistics is supply chain management. It's the backbone of any supermarket operation. It's all about managing the flow of goods, from the initial sourcing of products from manufacturers to their arrival in the supermarket aisles. This process involves coordinating with various suppliers, tracking deliveries, and ensuring a constant flow of products to meet consumer demand. Next up is inventory control. This is the art of maintaining the ideal amount of stock. Not too much to avoid wastage or overstocking, and not too little to prevent empty shelves and disappointed customers. Supermarkets use sophisticated software systems to keep track of sales and inventory levels, predict demand, and decide when and how much to reorder. This is a delicate balancing act that requires a deep understanding of customer buying patterns and market trends. Finally, we have distribution, the process of getting the products from the warehouse to the supermarket shelves. This involves logistics planning, fleet management, and route optimization. It's about ensuring that deliveries are timely, efficient, and cost-effective. Remember, an idle truck is a drain on resources, and a delayed delivery can lead to empty shelves. The interplay of these three elements, supply chain management, inventory control, and distribution, forms the essence of supermarket logistics. They work together like a well-oiled machine, each one dependent on the others for smooth operation. It's a complex, dynamic process that requires careful planning, coordination, and execution. Now, these basics may seem straightforward, but they're anything but. They involve a myriad of decisions, calculations, and adjustments, all aimed at achieving one goal: to ensure that the right products are in the right place at the right time, ready for customers to buy. Now that we have a basic understanding, we can move on to the more specific aspects of supermarket logistics. So buckle up, because we're just getting started. At the heart of supermarket logistics is effective supply chain management. It's a dance, a carefully choreographed ballet of goods flowing from producers to consumers. So, what is supply chain management, you might ask? Well, it's the broad range of activities required to plan, control, and execute a product's flow from materials acquisition to product creation, delivery, and final disposal in the most streamlined and cost-effective way possible. Picture this: a supermarket is like a grand theater, and the products are its performers. They don't just magically appear on the shelves. Each has its own journey, from the farm or factory right to the supermarket shelf. And managing this journey, ensuring the right products arrive at the right place at the right time, is what supply chain management is all about. Now, why is it so pivotal in supermarket logistics? Let's delve into that. Supermarkets deal with a vast array of products, from perishables like fruits and dairy, to non-perishables like canned goods and cleaning supplies. Each product category has its own unique supply chain needs. Perishables, for instance, need to be moved quickly and kept at specific temperatures, while non-perishables have more flexibility. Supply chain management ensures that these diverse needs are met, and products reach the supermarket shelves fresh and ready for consumers. It involves coordinating with suppliers, managing transportation, and keeping track of inventory. But it doesn't stop there. It also includes managing relationships with suppliers, understanding market trends, and even predicting consumer behavior to ensure the right products are stocked. In essence, supply chain management is the unseen force that keeps the supermarket machine running smoothly. It's the unsung hero that ensures your favorite cereal is on the shelf when you want it, and your go-to cleaning supplies are never out of stock. Without effective supply chain management, supermarkets would be chaotic, with empty shelves, spoiled goods, and unhappy customers. An efficient supply chain is thus crucial to the successful running of a supermarket. Another pivotal aspect of supermarket logistics is inventory control. Let's dive into what inventory control is. It's the process of ensuring that a business has the optimal quantity of products at any given time. It's a delicate dance between having too much stock, which can lead to wasted products and increased costs, and having too little, which can lead to lost sales and unhappy customers. In the context of supermarkets, inventory control becomes even more critical. Imagine walking into your local supermarket to find empty shelves or, conversely, aisles overflowing with perishable goods nearing their expiration date. Neither scenario is ideal, and both can severely impact a supermarket's reputation and bottom line. So, how do supermarkets manage their inventory to prevent these situations? The answer lies in a combination of technology, forecasting, and supplier relationships. Firstly, most supermarkets leverage inventory management systems. These sophisticated software solutions track each product's journey from the supplier to the store shelf, providing real-time data on stock levels. This allows supermarkets to react quickly to changes in demand, replenishing stock as needed. Secondly, supermarkets use forecasting to predict future demand. This involves analyzing past sales data, considering seasonal trends, and monitoring market conditions to anticipate which products will be popular and when. Lastly, the relationship between supermarkets and suppliers plays a crucial role in inventory control. By maintaining strong relationships with suppliers, supermarkets can ensure timely deliveries, negotiate better prices, and even collaborate on promotions to move stock more quickly. But despite these strategies, inventory control is not an exact science. Unforeseen circumstances such as a sudden surge in demand or a disruption in the supply chain can throw a wrench in the best-laid plans. This is why inventory control is often described as a balancing act. It requires constant monitoring, adjustment, and strategic decision-making to ensure that the right products are in the right place at the right time. Inventory control is therefore a balancing act that supermarkets must master. The final piece of the supermarket logistics puzzle is distribution. Distribution, in essence, is the process of delivering products from the warehouse to the store shelves. It's a crucial aspect of supermarket logistics and plays a significant role in ensuring the smooth operation of a supermarket. Think of distribution as the veins and arteries of the supermarket organism. The warehouse is the heart, pumping goods out to the stores, which serve as the body's extremities. The efficiency of this system can make or break a supermarket's profitability and customer satisfaction. Supermarkets handle distribution in a few different ways. Some operate their own distribution centers and fleets of trucks. These supermarkets have full control over their distribution process, from the warehouse to the store shelves. This allows for quick decisions, flexibility, and potentially lower costs. However, running a distribution center and a fleet of trucks can be expensive and complicated. It involves managing drivers, maintaining vehicles, and coordinating complex schedules. For this reason, many supermarkets choose to outsource their distribution to third-party logistics companies. These companies specialize in distribution, offering economies of scale and expertise that individual supermarkets may lack. Whether distribution is handled in-house or outsourced, the goal is the same: to get the right products to the right stores at the right time. This involves a delicate balancing act, coordinating the flow of goods to match demand without overstocking or running out of products. Technology plays a significant role in modern distribution. Sophisticated software systems track inventory levels, predict demand, and optimize delivery routes. These systems enable supermarkets to manage their distribution processes with incredible precision, ensuring that customers always find what they need on the store shelves. And that, in a nutshell, is the logistics of running a supermarket. It's a complex, multifaceted operation that requires careful planning, coordination, and execution. But when done right, it ensures that customers can always find what they need when they need it. And in the competitive world of retail, that's a key to success. We have now covered the logistics of running a supermarket. From the basics of supermarket logistics, We've delved into the intricate world of supply chain management and how it's the backbone of any successful supermarket. We've seen how inventory control can make or break your business and how important it is to have a firm grip on your stock levels. We've also discovered the critical role of distribution and how it brings everything together. These components are like gears in a clock. They must work in harmony to ensure the smooth operation of a supermarket. Understanding these elements and their importance can turn an average supermarket into a thriving business. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about business and logistics, don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate. Until next time, keep learning and stay savvy.